So this is a really weird thing, but staging actually gets you more for the house and it gets you a better appraisal. It's weird, but we are very visual creatures, us humans, and we have a hard time separating out the house from the stuff in the house. So when I'm recording this, there was a house that was a 2-bedroom house under 2,000 square feet that was selling for like this crazy amount of money with multiple offers on it. And the comps don't support it at all, not even remotely, but it was just stinking cute. Their stuff was perfect. It looked like it was out of a magazine. It was beautiful. And it's like all their stuff is going with them. You don't get to keep their stuff. Why is it worth so much more? It's worth so much more because it is adorable. So you don't have to be the Pinterest perfect, magazine beautiful, perfectly staged home. But even if you're just staging your home better than it currently is, it's going to make some amount of difference. So be aware. It actually works. So thanks. And I won't see you on the next one because this is the last one in this particular series. Will I ever do seller's tips again? Yeah, I will probably do seller's tips like all the time, but this particular series is over. So thanks. And if you didn't watch the other ones, go back and watch the other ones. They're great. Thanks. Bye.